What happens when the justice system gets it wrong? When innocent people are convicted and sent to prison? When they've exhausted all their appeals but still aren't free? Does that ever happen in Jamaica? How big a problem is it? Is there any help, any hope for people like that? I'm Andrew Wiles, and this is Stuck, a podcast exploring wrongful convictions in Jamaica, how they happen, who they impact, and what we can do about them.
Tell the judge, tell the jury, tell the news, them no hear me. Lose my mind, lose my time, lost my life nearly. Holding on barely, clearly the system fail me. Tell me who go clear me. Innocent till proven guilty, but on paper